Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of cosine x dx divided by 2 plus sine x. Okay, so you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you define 2 plus sine x as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of the equation, derivative of 2 is equal to 0, derivative of sine x will be equal to cosine x dx, that will be equal to du. Okay, so all you need to do here is to substitute these two expressions into this integral and rewrite this integral. So instead of cosine x dx, that is cosine x dx, I simply write du, and instead of 2 plus sine x, that is 2 plus sine x, I simply write u. And we know that the integral of du over u is equal to ln u plus c, that's the constant of the integral. So all you need to do here is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is 2 plus sine x. Therefore, this will be equal to ln 2 plus sine x plus c, that's the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to this integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.